6/8 beats with triplet note accents.
Well, some people have write it differently, and it's mostly used in African songs. As a starting point, and then it progresses. This sounds familiar. Okay, triplet beats. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet. Triplets, otherwise counting 1 and a, or counting 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, or counting, as you can hear, that's a tongue twister. So some people like to count 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a. And occasionally a stick will fall. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How to play triplet accents within 6/8 beats.
Okay, so that's the way that you can count those beats. What's nice with this is your exercises can progress to triplet accents. So you're playing 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and you basically accent on the first beat, on the and on the or on the tr, on the p, and on the lit. That would sound, if I choose to make my bass drum play on 1 and accent beat the downbeat of the triplet, then I would play it 1 and a 2. On the and or on the and the and, then it would sound 1. Sounds nice and trippy, nice and cool, and that is 1 and a 2 and a 3. And then if I'm accenting on the or on the lit part of the triplet, then it would sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and that. And the fun part is that you can literally interchange between those as you're playing your beats. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Now I understand some people want to make this a talent thing, but I always tell my students, if you count, it's so much easier to remember. If you're counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 all the time, or 1 and a all the time, you literally cannot miss a beat. There is no rhythm that you would not be able to play if you're constantly counting. That's something that I learned while I was studying music, and that's something that I hope that you can take also from this video.
That's just a snippet into what one would be able to do with that tool. So practice and enjoy your triplet accents as well as your triplet notes and beats and rhythms as you play your drums.
that's it for today's video. If you've stayed till this long, please like and subscribe. Content analytics says 46% of you watch all the way through to the end, but it doesn't really translate to the subscriptions. So it would be lovely for you to please subscribe, please like, so that I can make more of these videos and add value to your musical lives. See you in the next one.